Hey guys, Robert Knoll with RNR Environmental. Here are the two test tubes you received. One has our RNR clay-based flocculant. All you need to do is take a little bit of that, sprinkle it into your raw wastewater that you have added to the test tube, shake it up, and see what you get. If your results aren't this quick, just shake it some more until the product makes its way through all of the water. Depending on your raw wastewater and the TDS and the TSS and the heavy metals that might be there, it may take a little bit longer. Continue until you receive some kind of break in the water. Then take a coffee filter or a tea filter in this case. You can pour it through into a cup or into anything. In this case, I'm just going to pour it right out through the filter into a glass container so that you can see how clear the water is. If you don't get any results at all and the water doesn't break, please contact us because we do have 50 blends. However, this is our workhorse blend. We provide this product for many customers just like you, so please give us a call. Let us know what we can do.